Mastering Separable Phrasal Verbs. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of separable phrasal verbs. As you might know, phrasal verbs are a crucial part of English language. They can make your conversation sound more natural and your understanding of the language deeper. And today, we're focusing on one particular type, separable phrasal verbs. So, let's get started. A phrasal verb is a verb that is made up of a main verb together with an adverb or a preposition, or both. Separable phrasal verbs are a type of phrasal verb that can be divided, meaning you can put a pronoun or noun between the verb and the preposition, adverb. For example, in the phrasal verb, turn off, which means to stop a machine or piece of equipment, you can say, turn the TV off, or turn off the TV. Both are correct. Let's look at some more examples to understand how separable phrasal verbs work. Take off. This can mean to remove something, as in, can you take your shoes off before you come in? Or, can you take off your shoes before you come in? Put on. This phrasal verb can mean to place something on your body, like clothes or glasses. For example, I always put my glasses on in the morning. Or, I always put on my glasses in the morning. Break up. This can mean to end a relationship or to separate something into smaller pieces. You might say, they decided to break their relationship up. Or, they decided to break up their relationship. Fill out. This typically refers to completing a form or document. You can say, you need to fill out this form. Or, you need to fill this form out. The rule of thumb is that if the object of the verb is a noun, you can usually separate the phrasal verb. But if the object is a pronoun, it must come between the verb and the preposition, adverb. For instance, you would say, turn it off, not, turn off it. Similarly, you would say, take them off, not, take off them. However, not all phrasal verbs are separable. It's always a good idea to check a reliable dictionary if you're unsure whether a phrasal verb can be separated or not. There you have it. That's a brief introduction to separable phrasal verbs. Remember, like any new language skill, mastering these takes practice. So, try using some separable phrasal verbs in your daily conversations. Happy learning, and we hope this video has been helpful.